Good morning students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Buzz. Today I am taking class 7 topic which is integer and we are continuing with exercise 1.1. Here in my last video that was about the question 1 of the exercise. I am taking now this is question number 3. Second question you can try from your end. This is at Srinagar the temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and on Tuesday it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So, and on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. We have to find the temperature on Wednesday. So, how will we start? We will just start with the temperature which is given on Monday. So, temperature of Srinagar on Monday is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Drop in temperature is 2 degrees Celsius. So, we'll just find out what is going to be the temperature on Tuesday. Okay, so the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. This is going to be minus 5 because it's a drop. So that is, here we'll write minus 2 or it can be written as, this is minus 5 degrees Celsius, drop of 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, Celsius is not required actually. We can write it in the end when we write the total temperature. Now here this will become minus 7 degrees Celsius. Because what is happening, the temperature is falling down. So when there is a fall of temperature, then it is minus. When there is a rise of temperature, that is going to be plus. That is increase in temperature. Now it says further that on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. That is, there is a rise in temperature on Wednesday. By how much? By 4 degrees Celsius. So rise on Wednesday, rising temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. So what is the temperature on Wednesday? So now this temperature will add because this is rising to the previous temperature, the temperature on the previous day. So temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday. So this is the temperature which is on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, the temperature increases by 4 degrees Celsius. Now here if you remember, I have told like whenever we are adding the integers which are of different sign, like we have one integer is negative, other is positive. So there is a difference. We take the difference of both the numbers, number 1. Number 2, what is the sign of the result? Sign is, which is the sign of the bigger integer. So that is 7 is your bigger number and it carries negative sign, number 1. Number 2 is, we will subtract 7 minus 4 is 3. And what is the sign of the answer? Minus 3 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday. So that is our solution. Now I'll take after this the next question which I would like to take is question number 9. Because this question is slightly different. We have to find out like which side is greater, which side is less, which side is equal. So let's see. So in continuation with the exercise, now I am taking question number 9. As you can see in question number 9, we have been given two sides and we have to find out which side is greater, which side is less and which side is equal. So you can see here like without solving we cannot find out which side is greater. So first of all what we have to do, we have to solve both the sides separately, individually. So here I'll just recall the things which I have told you when we'll just see how does the integers take their places. When both the integers are plus, we add. When both are negative, even then we add. When one is positive, other is negative, we subtract. First is negative, this is we subtract. So we have to keep this thing in mind. How do the integers take their sign, okay? And how we add the integer, how we subtract the integer. So here you can see we are adding two integers which are negative. So if the integers are negative, we add them. So 8 and 4, they are 12. Perfect. But you will put negative sign. It symbolizes that integers that we have added, they are of negative. Okay, now moving to next is, this is minus 8 if there is a minus sign outside, you are subtracting, but we need to simplify this. Okay, this is a bracket, we have to simplify. There is a minus sign outside, we'll change the sign inside. This you must do. Fine. Now here you have two integers which are different in sign. So we'll subtract. So 8 minus 4 is 4. But which sign this 4 will carry, that will depend on the sign of the bigger integer. 8 is a bigger integer and 8 carries negative sign. So here I'll write in the next line, this is minus 8 plus 4, this is minus 4. Fine. Now which side is greater? First thing is clear, they are not equal. Okay, we have minus 12 and on the other side we have minus 4. So they are not equal. Now which side is greater? This is greater. Minus 4 is greater. You know, if you see that, if you don't understand how come minus 4 is greater than minus 12, I have told you on the number line, it follows opposite. Okay, this is minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So lesser the number in negative, bigger the value. Same way here, for positive it is clear. We know that from the beginning, like as we keep on moving on the right side, the value increases. But for the negative integer, it takes the opposite course. Okay, so here minus 4 is a greater number. Moving to the second part, here we have 3 integers on both the sides. We'll take 2 integers at a time. Clear? We'll pick up the integer which are easy for us to solve. Here if you can solve these two, no problem. If you can put these two together, no problem. That depends how better you can place a pair of integer. Okay, what I can do is, for the time being I am taking minus 3 plus 7. Okay, so here if you see, you have two integers. One integer is positive, another is negative. So it will be the difference of the integer. So 7 minus 3 is 4 and it will carry plus sign. Why? Because 7 is a bigger number. Minus 19. Again we have two different integer. One is positive, other is negative. So we'll have the difference of the integer. I'll write minus 15. Fine. Left side is done. Coming to the right side. 15 minus 8 is what? 7. Plus minus 9. So what are we doing? I am adding integer. First one integer is plus, another is minus. So 7 minus 9. I'll take the difference. So 9 minus 7 is 2. Fine. Which sign 2 will carry? Negative. Now we have again two negative integers. Which integer is greater? The integer with less numerical value. So this integer is greater. I've seen, like in question number 9, what the children do, they try to do it just by looking at this term, which is not practically possible. So I would say you just solve it. Okay, I always do it with the children. I always, whenever I am taking it in the class, I solve it in a complete manner. Okay, moving to next is here. Okay, I'll do it in a different way just to show you that it can be done. So 23 and 11. If you see, they both are positive. They are positive. So if you add positive and positive, they are added. Now what can I do is, I am putting them together. Okay. It is what? This is commutative property. Okay. We can write a plus b plus c as a plus c plus b. The sign does not change. Now here also 23 minus 41 minus 11. I am not making any change here. Now if you add these two numbers, what do you get? We get 34, here 41. Both the numbers are different in sign. It will be subtraction. We will take the difference. What the number will carry, which sign it will carry? It will carry the sign of the bigger number. Moving to next, here also we'll add these two integers, because when you have two integers which are of same sign, the integers are added. If you add 41 and 11, what is the sum? Sum is 52 and we'll keep the negative sign. Negative sign means we have added negative integer. Again we come with the pair of integer which are in opposite sign. One is plus, other is minus, we'll take the difference. So 52 minus 23 is, this is, I believe this is 29. So here this is minus 29. So students must be very careful while keeping the sign, because this is what the integer is all about. So here this is minus 29, minus 7. Which side is greater? Left side. Okay, so this way these 3 parts are solved. And I want you to solve the remaining 2 parts by yourself so that you can evaluate your understanding. Okay, and in my next video I'll be taking the last question of the exercise, which is very important. So do watch my next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.